Hello and welcome to my instructional needs analysis video. My name is Sharmeen Alam and I'll be sharing with you some lessons learned. My needs analysis project was done with an organization that gives out awards. They're basically a non-profit organization that gives out awards and grants for educational programs, and I worked within the grants department on one particular program. Our need was to find, the client's need was to find out how well they support their applicants, and they do that by offering applicant resources. So basically my role in the analysis was to conduct lots of meetings, email correspondence, get to know the client. Since this was a client that I had not worked with, was not familiar with, it was important that I learned their business. And it was also important that I asked a lot of questions and met with them often. I was able to study their website and learn a lot about them. And since their applicant resources are mostly available on their website, I had a head start on my analysis. Once I put together my data collection plan, which involved conducting interviews with the client and other members of leadership in the grants program, analyzing the website, we added an applicant survey as well to past applicants, both successful and unsuccessful, to see what they thought about the applicant resources available. I triangulated the survey data along with the other data to come up with findings, which I shared, listing priority needs that I thought made sense, and offered recommendations and solutions based on the analysis. There were a lot of valuable lessons that I learned from this project. Definitely the needs analysis process is very involved and intense. Managing client and their involvement, whether low or high, is tricky. Educating clients of the needs assessment process is important. Being aware of any client bias in how they share or do not share information and data with you is key. It's important to lay out expectations, I learned early on in the process, and to set a hard deadline or timeline of deliverables. But overall, I've tried to be mindful, patient, and professional throughout the process. And for those of you that are going to be doing this, my recommendations first and foremost are that you know your client and their business, that you keep track of all your activities that you do with them. If you're writing survey questions, make sure they're specific and that you spend time on creating them. If there's client involvement, that's fine, but try to take lead on it. With any interviews that you conduct, ask questions and ask follow-up questions. Be sensitive when sharing data analysis and findings with your client. And set a positive tone when outlining your priority needs with them. Have a meeting to discuss them and give them a chance to pick which are of most importance, or how they want to order the needs. Now that's what I have to offer you guys. Now it's your turn to do your needs analysis. I hope you enjoy it, and good luck, and thank you.